I remember us saying we would always get married when there was a right time. I didn't think the right time was going to be in this kind of weather, but I think it suits us perfectly.
I don't know why I did my hair.
Brian and Cass, 8 years ago, your journey began with your first date, and that date being of a hike with your dog Freya.
Oh, camera.
Of course, you always did come back here to the White Mountains. It's only fitting, and you would want to get married here in Artist Bluff in Franconia Notch State Park.
Really skydiving. I'm glad you're here.
I'm glad I'm here.
Thank you so much. I'm feeling it now. I'm in it.
Yeah,
As soon as
I put this up, I'm like, oh man, this is it.
Every time I'm ever asked what my favorite thing about you is, it's always how you have a huge heart. You're always so willing to love everybody to your absolute core. I've never met a single person who doesn't like you, who doesn't think you're the coolest, most confident, funniest person. You're so cool, Brian.
So gorgeous. Videographer sticks are so gorgeous.
Oh, she's got a stick!
It's gonna fall apart. You are the person I want to spend the rest of my life with, Cass. There's nobody else in the world that I would ever want to spend this life with. And you're making me the happiest person in the entire world by marrying me. And I can't stand here in the pouring rain and tell you that every day is going to be perfect. Even this weekend isn't what we thought, but it's never going to be perfect.
You handle all of the ups and downs in our life together so well, so that you can hold me when I need to cry, so that you can just tell me, look on the bright side, like, we're getting married. Like, we're getting married.
In the power vested in me, the state of New Hampshire, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Yeah! I'm trying my
You're doing
so
stuff that I love, Cass. You are the love of my life. You're my best friend. You're my rock soldier. My sweet cheese. You're my good time boy. I love you.
I love you so much. We did it!
That's it.